deal with it, okay, which you are going to leverage in terms of SAP Gen AI. Okay, so as a career transformation, either if you are a project manager, either if you are a team lead, either if you are a developer, or if you are a tester, and anyone who are interested in transforming your career into the Gen AI world, first of all, you need to trust your learning journey, even if you doesn't understand it. Sometimes what you never wanted or expected turns out to be what you need. Do you agree with this? Yep. Yes.
Yes.
No.
Yes. I
Okay,
agree.
fine. So I'm the trainer who is having 18 plus years of experience into SAP and also certified Gen AI leader with expertise in PSM1, PSK, PMP, and Safe Agilist, where I have experience in conducting both in-person and online training sessions for organizations globally, conducted very numerous successful Gen AI implementations for the teams of different sizes, where what you will be learning from us. So there will be interactive sessions with hands-on experience with the real-world examples to solve the business problems in the various industries with the Gen AI to prepare your certification and to resume preparation. So why to join this program? Here, no coding or a technical background is needed. You will be learning directly with the real-world examples, and practical templates will be provided, and the use case activities and lifetime access to the materials. Okay, so before entering into any SAP Gen AI, first of all we need to understand what is artificial intelligence, what is machine learning, what is deep learning with the neural networks, what is LLM and Gen AI. Okay, and so if you want to enter, if you want to learn the SAP Gen AI services, we know we use SAP BTP, the a business technology platform, where we'll be working on SAP BTP cockpit with using SAP build and develop SAP document AI using SAP document AI services, business process automation, and we'll be developing the full stack applications and automated process SAP BPA, what do you call as SAP business process automation with a joule skill and a business suite. Okay, so we'll be closely developing SAP Joule and the SAP Joule Studio, okay, with using SAP build. Also we are going to build SAP conversation AI, what you call as a chatbot with AI core and AI launchpad. So this is what an overall what we are going to learn in my session. Okay, so before entering into any of the Gen AI concepts, first of all we need to understand what is artificial intelligence. If you see here on the screen, you can see there is an Alexa, right? So if you ask a question like what is the weather today to the Alexa, it replies, right? Even it can play music, even it can give answers, or even talk with you like a person. Like AI, like making machines smarter like a humans. Okay, when a computer or a machine is made to think and act like a human, okay, think and act like a human, then it is called as artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is nothing but when a computer or a machine designed to think like a human is like a artificial intelligence. Okay, so that's the reason we make as a short as MMSH, making machines smart like a humans. Okay, got it? Understood what is AI is?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next screen. Slide. Imagine you're showing the computer with 100 pictures of dogs and cats. After learning, it can look at a new photo, okay, and say that's a dog. So what's happening in simple terms? So like if you see, uh, you feed the computer those 100 images as a input data, and each image is tagged with the correct answer, what you call labels, like example dog or a cat, okay, and the computer analyzes the patterns like shape of the ears, size of the nose, fur patterns, and it creates the internal rules to distinguish dogs from cats in the learning phase. And after seeing enough examples, the computer forms a predictive model. It will be creating a model, and later you show it a new picture it hasn't seen before, and it will try to guess whether it's a dog or a cat based on what it learned in testing phase, right? So that's where it means the computer learns from the data or experience without being told what to do. It is nothing but machine learning. Machine is learning based on the data, based on learns from the data, or based on the experience without being told exactly what to do. That is what you call as machine learning. Is it clear? Yes? No? Not understand.
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. So let's move on to the next slide. So if you see here, you give millions of pictures of different people, okay, to the system, okay. Like you give, like it looks for tiny details, like if I have a pointers, like shape of the eyes, nose, mouth, okay, mouth, and face outline, okay. So it learns layer by layer. It learns layer by layer. That uses what you call as artificial neural networks. So a neural network in the deep learning is a way for a computers to think and learn by copying how our brain works. You mean? You understand what I mean? Right? So it reads the picture edges and shapes in the input layer and finds the patterns like eyes, the nose, and the mouth in the hidden layer. And it says, finally it says the whole face pattern in the output layer. So next time when you upload your photo, it says that's you. Okay, it says that's you, right? So deep learning, this is what you call as a deep learning. It is a special type of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks, computer systems inspired by the human brain to learn from a lot of data. It is called deep because these networks have many layers that process information step by step, just like our brain has neurons that pass signals. So, as computers have artificial neurons like tiny math programs that pass information, so a neural network in the deep learning is a way for computers to think and learn by copying how our brain works. So, in short, we can say artificial intelligence, AI, is nothing but smart machines. Okay. And when you have machine learning, machine learning is nothing but it learns from data. Okay. And deep learning is nothing but it learns from lots of data using brain like networks. I hope you understand what is AI, what is ML, and DL. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Clear.
so far okay.
Yep, thank you. So, all artificial neural networks are a part of machine learning, but not all machine learning models are neural networks. So, that's where the deep learning is like the brain thinking beyond the limits. Where you see the picture, it is going deeper and deeper and getting the data of the information. Okay, so deep learning is a special type of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks, computer systems inspired by the human brain to learn from the lot of data. Okay, so there is a special type of AI where if I give a statement, write a story about a dragon and robot. Okay, if I give the same question to you, how much time it will take for you? Yes, please. Yes, please. Raviteja also join. Okay. So, Monica, can you answer how much time it will take for you to,
At
if
least
I
10
give
to 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes? Okay. If it is having a complex and more characters are involved, then
Then it will take time because we have to visualize, analyze.
analyze, right? So the AI creates a brand new story for you in a fraction of seconds, or it'll when you draw a rough face, the AI makes it look like a real person. Okay, so that is what you call as generative AI. So generative AI is a special type of AI that can create a new things like pictures, stories, poems, or even songs. So that AI that creates a new things like a human artist or a writer. So on a summary, we can say that artificial intelligence is nothing but machine acts like a smart like humans. Machine learning is learns from data like a student. Okay, generative AI is creates a new content from a prompt where it writes a poem or a draw an image. So that is what the few concepts which we need to learn when you are entering any part of the AI of the any of the technologies. I hope this is clear. Any questions here, please? Yes.
No question on this, but how it will help the SAP consultant? It's very
Yeah,
generic,
that's
right?
what
Whatever you
I'll
mentioned.
come to that. I'll come to that point.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
fine. So how generative AI works? Like it collects the data. Okay, it collects the data first based on the huge amounts of data and learns the patterns. It uses AI methods. Okay, and neural networks. Okay, and it will understand the request. What are the requests you get it that in it is in the form of prompt. Okay, and it generates new content, and it generates a new content. Okay, so what it learned it can, based on that, just like it learns recipes from many cookbooks, what you call as a data. Okay, it understands your orders, what you call as a prompt. Okay, so whenever the instructions you are giving, that is nothing but your prompt, and it creates a brand new dish, what you call as the output, inspired by what it has learned. Okay, so here artificial intelligence is already a part of our daily routine. Do you agree?
Yes.
How?
Nowadays, for many small things, we are using the chat GPT, right?
Yeah. So in today's world, artificial intelligence is already a part of our daily routine, often without us even noticing. Let's see, like if you see our mobile phones, right? Mobile phones. In our phones, like whenever you wake up, these days, most of the people will be handling your phones, right? To unlock your phone, it recognizes your face to unlock your phone, right? Where AI helps you, and it also predict the text and autocorrect use AI to suggest the next word, what you call as a keyboard suggestions, right? Yes or no? And coming to the internet, okay, so where you'll have a Google search engines where Google shows the most relevant results using AI, and AI recommends the post, reels, and friends social media, and you have a spam filters and smart replies in the Gmail, and whether it is spam or not spam, right? Coming to the travel and navigation, okay, if you talk about that, where you have a Google Maps where AI shows the fastest route by analyzing the traffic. Okay, and also we have a ride hailing app